Hey guys, Norm with Bear Bull Traders. It's Thursday, January 10th, 2019. Just wanted to show one trade I did for today. This morning, it was a bit choppy. I traded Macy's. I went nowhere. I was flat on it. I had one little trade on Kohl's. It was all right. Nothing to write home about. Made a few dollars. But then I realized why it was so flat. Jay Powell had a conversation at the DC Economic Club, and nothing really happened until that. Everything, you can look at the chart before about 12:45, and the hour or so before that, there was nothing going on. It was just flat. So I had my eye, Facebook's been in play the last couple of days. I had it on the side screen. I hadn't been watching it real closely, but I happened to notice right at about 1:45 Eastern, there was this runoff after the Powell speech, which was all this mess. And then it had been strong all day, well above VWAP. And then I noticed that on the 5-minute chart that I had on another screen, that it tested VWAP and immediately shot up from it. You can see on my 2-minute chart right there, same deal. It was just super strong that and this heavy volume on this candle where it broke below and then came back up. Unfortunately, I saw it just a hair late. So I got into it 142.95-ish. And I was a little jumpy. I was so far away from VWAP, which around the time was 142.60-ish. So I thought it might have been coming back on me. I thought I might have been wrong because of this moving average and the whole number at 143. I got out of it once, then realized that no, I had it right the first time. Went back. I actually got in a little bit better on it, 142.92-ish, and it just rode up perfectly to previous day close. I took a little bit off. This was when I closed that original position. Took a little bit off here at a previous day number, and then my second as it approached the 50 moving average on the 2-minute chart. As it approached 144, the whole number, I took one more piece off, and as it approached previous day close, I took my second and third, or my next and then my final part of my position off. So it turned out to be a good trade for me. I'll tell you, this is a textbook move here. So the stock's been hanging out around. It's something Andrew teaches. It's a great pattern. Happens all the time. Happened a little bit later today, I think, because of the speech than they normally do. But it's a midday pattern for sure. It's in Andrew's class 4. You know, the buying pressure on this is very high. It's been above VWAP all day. Institutional sellers don't want to sell below VWAP, and the buying pressure in that case will keep it above. So when this signals that there's nobody down there willing to sell it for less than that, that's what'll drive the price right back up to previous day close in this particular case, or just higher. So anyway, trade safe. Thanks for watching. Just want to say, follow us on Twitter. I'm at NormBBT. Andrew is at Bear Bull Traders. The other mods have Twitter handles now that follow their names. So go ahead and follow them. We're going to post videos, thoughts, maybe watch list. I've been trying to post my watch list on there. So anyway, thanks for following us. Take care. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Thanks.